A mischievous young boy walked into a pet store with a grin on his face. He approached the store owner and asked, "Do you have any talking parrots?" The store owner, amused by the boy's inquiry, replied, "Yes, we do. Right this way." The boy followed eagerly and soon found himself in front of a vibrant parrot. Excitedly, he whispered something in the parrot's ear. The owner watched as the parrot squawked loudly, "Hey, where did you get that haircut from?" The boy burst into laughter, delighted by his prank. The owner, impressed by the boy's wit, chuckled and said, "Looks like our parrot has a new comedian in town."